Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to show you very beautiful and amazing designs of burlap craft, burlap art and eco-friendly, budget-friendly, very beautiful designs of burlap and give you a very best tips for your upcoming project. So this season is for crafting, enjoying togetherness and many more. Have fun. So now we try to do something different like crafting, make something different. So in this video we're going to show you very beautiful designs of crafting, burlap and jute craft, very beautiful and amazing ideas. So hope you like the designs and ideas. Watch till the end. This burlap and jute craft video will make you very best and improved. So improve yourself and watch this video till the end. If you like to watch these designs and types of ideas, these type of ideas are very interesting and amazing and beautiful to make. So may you have happy and healthy life. Watch till the end. Next, holiday season, jute is also called burlap, is one of the most eco-friendly, budget-friendly and craft-friendly materials you will ever use. It's rustic. Versatile and gives your X-Mix decor that warm, handmade charm. In this video, I will show you some beautiful X-Mix craft ideas. You can easily make it home with jute burlaps. So let's begin our eco-friendly holiday crafting journey. So are you ready for that? Hope you like the designs and ideas. We are giving you the best ideas for this holiday craft. Every children, every elders, everybody who's enjoy that designs. First up, let's make some ornaments using jute. Cut out simple shapes like a star, heart or bells from cardboard. Then wrap them neatly with jute twine or cover them with burlap fabric. Add a small decoration like lace, sequins, pine cones or ribbons for extra charm. Punch a hole at the top and tie a loop for hanging. These ornaments not only look rustic and natural, but they are also strong and long lasting, so you can reuse them year after year. Now let's create a beautiful X-Mix wreath with burlap. Start with a foam or cardboard ring and wrap it completely in burlap fabric. Once covered, you can decorate it with red felt flowers, foxberries, cinnamon sticks, or even wooden buttons. Tie a large bow made from burlap and red button at the bottom to finish off it. Hang this wreath on your door and it instantly welcomes your guest with a rustic handmade festive charms. Another fun idea is a mini jute tree. Make a cone with cardboard and wrap it tightly with jute string. Decorate with small beads, golden stars or even fairy lights. To make it glow, these trees are perfect for tabletop or as centerpiece. And for a quick, beautiful decoration, try jute garlands. Cut small shapes like stars, stockings, or hearts from burlap fabric. Attach them to a long string of jute with glue or stitches. Hang it across walls, windows, or over your fireplace, and you will have an eco-friendly rustic garland that looks amazing. Let's move on to some practical crafts instead of using plastic gift wrap. Make jute gift bags. Cut 2 pieces of burlap, stitch or glue the side, and decorate with snowflakes, cutout or stencils. Holiday message. These are reusable and give gifts a warm handmade feel. You can also make candle holders with jute. Take a glass jar, wrap a strip of burlap around it, and decorate with lace beads or bows. Place a candle inside and you will have a glowing lantern that brings cozy warmth to your holiday evening. And there you have it. Simple and creative jute burlap crafts that are eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and craft-friendly. From ornaments and wreath or to trees, garlands, gift bags, and candle holders. The possibilities are endless with this natural material. Not only are these crafts affordable and fun to make, they also help us celebrate Xmas in a more sustainable way. So this holiday